Hi guys, welcome back to our video again. Because of the poor idling. Okay, so today we want to change the air filter for this Honda Wave. The first step is to remove two screws here, one here and the other one on the other side. Okay, so these are the two screws. And then next you need to pull open this. You need a little bit of force because there's a few clips at the back. Then we will have the access to the air box. So what we have to do next is to remove this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts to take out the air box cover. So once we remove the air box, you'll see the air filter inside. In this case, this is just hanging there. We can clearly remove, and this filter is pretty dirty. You gotta order one. Okay. So it's a relative simple bike, so you can buy most of them at Shopee. We took it out and then we sort of like blow off some of the dust. So temporarily we will use this back until the new one is here. Fitting in is quite easy, just find the right shape. Find back the right shape. How you take it out is how you put it in. And then we just place back the cover. And then bolt back all the screw and most of it is done. Right, so the air filter is finally here, so we gotta unpack this and swap it out. So we got quite a few parts is here. So this is not the original Honda air filter per se, but it's similar. And because it's a daily rider like a cup, so I don't think it's necessary that you need to buy, it's a must to buy a original air filter. Oh, it's the original air filter. Also, it's the original. Okay, so it's a bit restrictive here. So we're not sure. We'll use it first, and then probably we'll just remove this metal plate. Okay, this is the new one. We will take out the old one and then do a comparison. Old and this is the new. You can clearly see how filthy the old one is. We will swap this in. So now we gotta put this in like this. Okay, this is where the air comes in and then goes in here and to the engine. So just plug and play, quite simple. And then put the cover back. Okay, and then now we just need to secure one of the points. Okay, before we do our adjustment. So we have now completed the replacement of the new air filter. So now we will see whether the weak idling issue will still occur. Okay, getting better. The final step here is to install this back. It's quite simple. It's just a few taps. And a few clips, and you get it done here. And then just not forgetting to put back the two bolts, and we are good to go. Okay, this should do the job. And thank you guys for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.